This is what happened. So I'm driving down the road here getting some cool drone shots, and I panned like a side shot thinking I was well clear of the mountain. All of a sudden the drone, boom, hits a tree or a rock face, I'm not sure, stumbles down. Now, thinking of the last shot I got, I was pretty far away from the truck. And the nice thing about the DJI is it kind of gives me a pinpoint on where it went down. And what I'm looking at is up this huge rock face. So honestly, I almost just drove away. I'm like, there's no way I could even climb that and get to it. It could be on the other side, it could be at the very top, could be in a tree, who knows. But then the other side of me is like, I got some good footage and it's $1,000 drone. Just try it, you know? If it gets to be too complicated, you can turn around and come back. So I went for it. And the closer I got to the top, the steeper it got, the more dangerous it got. I took a long route just because some of the terrain is pretty loose rock and slippery sand. Whew, I'm thirsty. I should have been more prepared. I should have packed a little backpack with a rope and some gear, because this ended up being a bigger deal than I thought it was going to be. Well, guys, it is cold, and I just climbed up this rock mountain. Drone crashed and busted. You can see one of the props is broke. The road is down there. Maybe you can see my truck. Now fortunately, DJI does a great thing. So it gives you like a map on where the drone landed. Initially, I was gonna have to scale this straight up cliff, and I'm like, that's not gonna happen. So I worked my way around it, slowly found myself a semi-decent path up. Found the drone. Now I gotta get back down. Yeah, anyway, time to get rolling. So just getting down to the river part was a challenge enough. Everything's in one piece, including myself. So we are going to continue our drive. We've got like another 14, 15 miles through this. It says it'll take about an hour. The snow has lightened up a little bit, so I'm not too worried about that. We are under a winter warning advisory, but hey, we'll see. We got the truck. We can handle whatever we need to handle, right? All right, let's get going.